hello guys, welcome back to the channel and welcome to the first video of K series. And the people who don't know what is this K series, please watch my previous video, link will be in the description. So first watch that video, and the people who already know what is this K series, welcome to the first video of it. So in this video I am just going to recommend you some of my favorite K dramas which are like evergreen for me. I can watch them anytime, anywhere, ever. They are just amazing. So without wasting up any time, let's get into the video. So the first drama is My Love from Other Star, and I don't think this drama needs a great introduction because it is already famous worldwide. But then also, if you don't know about it, then I will tell you, it is a fantasy love story of an alien and actress. So actually what happens is alien falls in love with an actress, and the actress is not an ordinary actress. She is the Korea's most beautiful and famous actress ever. So who will not love to just see the chemistry of an alien and a super duper famous actress in Korea? So I love it very much. And so the second drama is The Legend of the Blue Sea, and I don't think this drama also need any introduction because it is also as much as famous as My Love from Other Star. So if the people don't know what is this type, then it is also a fantasy love story. So in this the particular thing happened, the human falls means an ordinary, the male lead is a human and the female lead is an mermaid, and who will not love to see the chemistry between a human and a mermaid? And I think it is the awesome thing which, and it is also have some funny scenes and some jealousy scenes, so it also works like a spice in the dish. So I think this is the drama you should watch after My Love from Other Star. So yeah, so the third drama which I'm going to say is really close to my heart because it is my first drama and really the reason why I started watching K-drama. So the drama name is High School Love, so it is based on teenage drama, but it is an fantasy intense love triangle also. So who would not love to see a drama like teenage fantasy intense love triangle? Who would not love? If you are a teenager, then what are you waiting for? Just go and watch the drama. And the name of the drama is already I have said, it is High School Love On, and it is really high school love on. You are going to fall in love with the high school after watching this drama. So in this drama, the fantasy is the female male lead is an fairy who has come to the earth to means help or maybe protecting the first main lead. The first main lead is also a poor guy and also one of the most famous guy in the school. Well, he's the first guy who was most famous in the school, and the second guy is also the second main lead, and he is also very cute and good, but the thing is he is rich. The difference you can see, but they used to be the best friends. And so after the schooling like normally, but they were the best friends. As I have seen the drama, it was like that they were best friends. But now the twist and turns came. Means they were just best friends, and they after the fairy has come, after the main lead has come, and after the both they have fallen in love with the single girl and they become rivals. And if who would not love to see the best friend rivalry? Okay, means best friend will be enemies. Who will not love to see that? Okay, so it has a lots of jealousy scene, lots of heartwarming scenes, and it is the most thing to attract in this drama is the heartwarming scenes. I really have to cry on every heartwarming scene. And the main and the biggest twist, I'm not going to say it, you have to watch the drama. It has really a great secret inside that both two friends. And what is that? If you want to know, then please see the drama. The fourth drama is What's Wrong with Secretary Kim. So it is really a fantastic drama. It is in comedy romance, and if you are a person who loves to see comedy, then yeah, this is for you and you. You can just see it. It is really awesome. So in this story, there is a boss and an employee love story, and who would not love to see that? And boss and an employee love story. Really, it is really very comedy scenes are there, very funny scenes are there. You are going to just hug your stomach and laugh like anything. Okay, but the best scenes are funny scenes. They are just amazing in this drama. The direction is really very good. So please see this. If you have a bored with fantasy and love triangles and some intense, then this drama is for you. Comedy. Really, it is very funny. So watch it. So the fifth drama which I am going to say is also in comedy romance genre, and it is Welcome to Vikiki. Oh my god, I just love this drama. It has just so awesome scenes, means every second you are going to laugh, and the heartwarming scenes are also good, but the best things are the funny scenes. Oh my god, the jealousy scenes, the funny scenes, they just mix up with a so strong direction and cast. I just love them. And so the story is, there were I think, sorry, there were three friends, and the three friends were like best friends, I think. They have an kind of cottage or hotel, maybe something like to stay, but the hotel is in great loss. They have no money to spend and all. So they were just discussing about it, and suddenly the main lead just hears a cry of a baby, I think, something like, I am not remembering perfectly, but yeah. Then he goes to his room and open his cupboard and see there is a baby girl. And after that, the funny scenes goes on and goes on. Oh my god, they are just so cute, and especially that baby girl was really cute. If you want smile with the funny scenes, you will at least smile to see that baby. She is really very cute. So Welcome to Vikiki is like an evergreen. Like Three Idiots is an evergreen film for us. Vikiki is also an evergreen drama for us to laugh like anything. So if you love to see comedy romance or comedy genre, then this is the best option. So it is really an awesome, but there are many twists and turns. There whose baby it is, how she will come, and what would happen. It is really and very intense and just mix up with. So I hope you enjoy watching videos. So there are many more dramas which are also evergreen and also awesome, like Boys Over Flowers or Meteorite Garden, or many more series of KB series, or Sweet Revenge, or School 2015, Sweet Revenge season 1, 2, 3, and many more K dramas are there which are really awesome and evergreen. But in this video I have just added some. I think only 5 I have said. But yeah, if you want to know about these dramas which I have just named now, that comment for part 2. If you enjoy the video, then don't forget to hit the like button. And if you enjoy watching my videos, then please subscribe my channel. And yeah, don't forget to follow me on Instagram. And yeah, don't forget to share this video with the K-dramas lovers, or who are just new to K-drama world. Then you can just share this video to them, because I'm a senior. I've been watching K-dramas for 2 to 3 years. I don't remember it particularly, but yeah, I have been in 2 to 3 years. I have experienced a lot of K-dramas. So if you are new, then you can call me a senior. So I have recommended you 5 dramas today, and if you will comment part 2, then I will also make part 2 for this, and I will say more 5 dramas, or maybe 10 or 15, how much it will be video, I will make that. And yeah, thank you for watching. Bye.